Hey guys, I know I look crazy and it's because of a reason. Today I'm doing going from a 3 to like a 7 or an 8 in 2019. I've seen these videos all over the internet in 2018, so we're going to do one for 2019. I just woke up and I wanted to get pretty because my boyfriend and I are going to a breakfast day today. I haven't seen him in a week and a half, so I wanted to like take that as an excuse to actually like do my hair, do my makeup, and paint my nails because I haven't painted it in so long. So today you guys are going to come with me. We're going from this to this. Let's go, guys. I'm just wetting my hair with a little bit of water in order to apply the actual cream. So I usually use this L'Oreal Curl Reviving Buttercream, and that's what I'm going to use today as well. ASMR. And we are done. Now I'm going to wash my hands and put on my contact lenses. I'll be right back. So guys, we are back. I'm going to turn on my ring light. Give me a second. My boyfriend just texted me saying that he's just going to go to the bathroom and get dressed and he's going to come. And I haven't even started doing my makeup, so let's just get this over with real quick. So I just did my eyebrows and now I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette, and this is not gonna be like a tutorial on how to do this look, so I'm just going to like do my makeup and you guys are just going to watch what I apply and what I do. Okay guys, so I just applied my lashes. Look at the difference that it makes. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Lancome Ultra Wear Foundation. So that's it for foundation, and for concealer, I'm going to be using the True Match Super Blendable Concealer by L'Oreal. So for a little bit more coverage, I'm going to use my Studio Fix powder from MAC. We are going for a full coverage look. And there. So now I'm just going to be taking the eyeshadow palette that I use and I'm going to be applying some powder under my lower lash line. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply some contour. Also guys, I hope that you're all enjoying 2019 so far. I hope that you are working towards all the New Year resolution goals and other things that you wanted to accomplish this year. I believe in you all. Next, I'm going to be applying some blush, and I'm using the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush, and it has become my favorite blush so far. It has this peachy color that I was at first tedious because I didn't know if I was going to like it, but turns out it's one of my favorite blushes ever. So, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlighter. This is intense, guys. This highlighter, even though it's drugstore, it's the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. It's intense. Ooh, where is it? Oh, that's so refreshing, guys. This lipstick is one of my all-time favorite pink shades. And now we're going to check which outfit should I wear from this closet. There's so many options, guys. I don't even know what to do. Please help me. Send help, please. I think I figured it out. I think I'm going to wear this. And I'm going to pair it up with some light jeans. Probably these ones, and some shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and change, and I'll be right back so we can choose what earrings and other jewelry we are going to use. Well, I'm going to use. Okay, bye guys. I think I'm going to go for a more simple look, so I'm going to be taking this hoop earring and putting it there. So I just chose these little hoop earrings in a silver color, and I also chose this ring from Pandora, like the crown ring everyone wears, like that one. And I also chose this ring over here in this hand that my boyfriend gave me for Valentine's Day, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, but here's a closer look. It is so pretty. Okay guys, so we are ready. I don't think I'm going to paint my nails just because my boyfriend just texted me and said that he is just around the corner, so we're waiting for him. So let's just see what happens when he arrives. Let's go see Christian, Goldie. Who is that? What's wrong? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Wait, Goldie, sit. Sit. Stay. Goldie. She did not stay. Come on, Jenny, you're so cute. Okay guys, so Kristen just arrived. He's there texting. Yeah, Golden is there. But that's it for the video. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.